What if I told you that beneath this calm, endless blue surface lies a world more dramatic than any movie ever made? A world where survival is a daily battle, where beauty hides danger, and where every movement has a purpose. Welcome to the ocean, Earth's last great mystery. As the sun rises, the ocean awakens. From the surface, it looks peaceful, almost silent. But below, life is already moving, hunting, hiding, surviving. Meet the ocean's most feared hunter, the shark. Silent, powerful, perfectly designed for the chase. It doesn't roar, it doesn't rush. It waits and strikes with precision. But the shark is not alone. The squid, fast as lightning, uses speed to escape danger. In the ocean, hesitation means death. And then there's intelligence. The octopus, a creature so smart it can change its color, texture, even shape. In seconds, it becomes invisible. Here, survival isn't about strength, it's about thinking faster than your enemy. Not all giants are killers. The whale, the largest animal to ever exist, moves with calm grace. It doesn't hunt aggressively, it sings. Manta rays glide like flying carpets of the sea. And sea turtles, ancient travelers, cross entire oceans guided only by instinct. They remind us power does not always mean destruction. Welcome to the underwater cities, coral reefs, bursting with color, movement, life. Clownfish dance between danger and safety. Seahorses drift gently, defying everything we know about fish. Tiny shrimp clean, protect, and serve the ecosystem. Every creature matters here. Remove one, and the entire city begins to collapse. But something has changed. The ocean is no longer safe. Plastic replaces plankton. Fishing nets become death traps. Marine life struggles, not because of predators, but because of us. Creatures that survived millions of years now face extinction in decades. What happens when the ocean can no longer breathe? What happens when the balance is broken? This is not just their home, it's ours too. As the sun sets, the ocean grows quiet once again. But its future is still undecided. We can protect it, we can respect it, or we can lose it forever. The ocean doesn't need us to survive, but we need the ocean. Protect our oceans before the silence is permanent.